welcome back to Luxe Wives. Thank you so much for joining us. My name's Crystal, one half of the Luxe Wives, and on this channel we talk about everything luxury, beauty, household, you name it, we talk about it. So if that's the type of thing that you like, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload from us. And today, I know you can tell by the big Sephora box that I have in front of me that I have a huge Sephora haul. Sephora just did their annual, well, semi-annual sale. They do it twice a year, and for VIB Rouge it's 20% off. For VIB it is 10% off, no, sorry, 15. And then for Beauty Insiders it is 10% off. So that just ended on Monday, and I wanted to go ahead and show you what I got. I did 3 big orders, but as you can see, it's only 2 boxes here. My other box is not coming until next week, so that'll have to be like a part 2 or something. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing. I wanted to be a true unboxing, and that will be why I'm opening it on camera. See all the fun goodies that I got. Alright, so starting out, I got good jeans from Sunday Riley. I really like this product just because of the 15% vitamin C it has in it, and it has some brightening effects. This one came with the jumbo size and then a little travel size, and it's just for texture, radiance, and dark spots. I usually put this on after I clean my face. I use it as a serum. It's a lactic acid serum, and I have found it to be a really good product for me. So next I got the Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty, which I can't even get open right now. So let me go back to my trusty knife here and hope I don't cut myself. Be careful, kids. Don't try this at home. Oh, okay, so I'm in. Alright, so this is the Naughty Nude palette. It seems to be rather new from Huda Beauty, and I mean, it's got some beautiful colors in there. It comes with a little mirror, and yeah, really like this one. I mean, I need another makeup palette, like I need another eyeball or I need another leg, but you know, you get the hint. Next thing I picked up was this package from La Mer. It appears to be a little damaged, so let's just go ahead and hope that it's not damaged on the inside. But La Mer products are very expensive skincare products, so I thought I would go ahead and pick this up while the sale was going on. So this one comes with the moisturizing soft cream, the lotion, a regeneration serum, a cleansing foam, and it comes with a little baggie in here. So yeah, hope none of my package is damaged, because that would be a tragedy. And these all appear to be like little travel sizes. So that's the little bag it came with. Oh yeah, so everything appears to be good, but all these are like little travel sizes, and then I'll pop up a picture of the whole entire set like somewhere over here, just so you can see what I'm talking about, like how much it costs. Didn't want to keep you guys on here too long while I, you know, go through my packages. So next thing I have on my list is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette. You say that 5 times fast. Jesus Christ. I don't know. Maybe they're running out of like names for all these eyeshadow palettes, and that's why the names are getting so insanely difficult. Okay, so again, this is by the mother of them all, Pat McGrath. This is a black owned brand, and she's pretty. Go ahead and try to block out that mirror as best I can for you. You don't want to see everything going on in the background of my house. But Pat McGrath's palettes to me seem to be a little bit on the expensive side. They tend to run in the $125 range. So this one was a little bit bigger than her normal palette, so that's why I decided to go ahead and pick this one up on the sale. And then I got a cleanser, and this is by Tata Harper. I think I'm saying that correctly. But this is supposed to be an exfoliator, and I was very low on exfoliators, so this one is supposed to be 100% free from GMO, toxins, fillers, artificial colors, artificial fragrances, synthetic chemicals, all the good stuff you do not want going on your skin. I guess you're noticing the trend here. I got a lot of skincare. But yeah, this is just a little 50 ml. It's 1.7 fluid ounces, so this is travel size safe. Thought I'd go ahead and pick that up while the sale was going on. And then the last thing I got in this box was a Sephora sample set. So if you're not familiar with these, you get all these great sample sizes in here, and then once you found the bottle that you're in love with, you get to choose a full size bottle out of all the fragrances that are in here. And so this runs about $68. This is a great Christmas present. Of course, I got this with the 20% off, but a lot of these bottles in here, the full size bottle is going to run you way more than $68. So this ends up being a really good gift for somebody, because say you want to give somebody a fragrance, and you know fragrance is so freaking personal. They can go through all of these 13 samples and decide which one it is that they're in love with. Oh, now that sounds nasty. That sounds nasty, doesn't it? But yeah, they can go through all of these and decide which one that they're in love with, which one smells the best on them, and which one is best for their body chemistry. And then you don't have to worry about giving like one of your family or friends something that they're going to end up not enjoying and not using. I know that's a big fear of mine when I try to give somebody fragrance, because you just don't know what everybody's like niche is and what's going to mix well with their body chemistry. So on here, or in here rather, there is Clean, which is by Reserve. There's Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, that's Burberry Her. There is Nest Wild Poppy, Versace Bright Crystal, Giorgio Armani My Way, and then there's Marc Jacobs Daisy, Valentino, there's Prada Candy, there's Tom Ford Ombre Leather, and then there's the really popular YSL Black Opium. So great Christmas present if you are looking to buy somebody fragrance, you don't really know what to get them. I would go with one of these sample sets. They make a whole bunch of different ones, so you don't necessarily have to get that one. I think there's one for New Year's, and then there's another one. But yeah, just go on Sephora's site. They're all $68. All right. Last but not least, this big old box. Ugh. I know you're like, what the heck is in this box? What did she buy? What is in here? What's going on? Get away. Alright, so if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. But it's heavy. Ooh, child, almost broke something. This heavy thing is called the Drunk Elephant Trunk Set. They do one every single holiday season. This retails for $450. However, the products in this trunk set are worth $760. So don't look at me like, why the hell did you spend that much on that? So what you get here is you get that cool little dust bag, which I didn't know I was getting. You get a little travel size luggage with some little spinny wheels. And then at the top, the handle just says Drunk Elephant. It's lime green and gray. You go ahead and you open this up and you flip this around. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This side's empty, and then this side has all the product on it. Alright, so we finally get in here. There's a little Drunk Elephant card. I'm assuming this is going to tell you everything that's in your little Drunk Elephant case. And then you get this big old thing of full-size products. And if anybody on here has purchased from Drunk Elephant or you use their products, you know they're freaking expensive. Alright, so let's go over what I got. I got a Physical Daily Defense Protector SPF 30 full size. I got a B Hydra Intense Hydration Serum. This is in the full size. This one has pineapple and pro vitamin B5. I got this jelly cleanser, which I'm already using, so I can already attest to this one being a good product. I use this with my beauty blender. Sorry, not my beauty blender. Duh, I use this with my Clarisonic is what I meant to say. I got a eye serum. This is also full size. Then there's a retinol cream. I think they threw in some samples too, because I have a micellar water. So this one, I typically use micellar water to like clean my false eyelashes and stuff like that. This is a TLC Babyface Facial Reveal and Resurface. Not really sure what this one's gonna be for, but I guess I will see. It suggests that I use this once weekly, apply on even layer to clean dry skin and leave on for 20 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. So it looks like a mask. I have to check that out. There is the TLC Night Serum with Raspberry Abstract. Then there is the Virgin Luxury Facial Oil. It's 100% refined. It better be for this damn price. These are expensive. This is expensive. Oh, but you thought that was it? No, you get more stuff in this suitcase. Back to the full-size products I got up here. There is a C Firmer A Day Serum. So this one has pumpkin and L-absorbic acid. Now I am a chemical engineer, but L-absorbic acid is a new one, I guess. And then you have a polypeptide cream. So I know what polypeptide is, at least. Some of these names are a bit different. And then we got another little travel size here. This is the Makeup Melting Butter. I've also tried this one. Get your makeup off really quickly. I think I'll be using this sometime in the day when I get done filming. And then they send like a whole bunch of little samples in here. So all in all, I think this one was a good purchase. All of these full-size products without this little suitcase, again, would have run me $760-ish. So I'm excited to get to try out all these full sizes. I hope everything works out. It looks like I'm going to be expanding my skincare regimen extensively, especially with the La Mer set I got. Now I got travel sizes. Now I got stuff, child. I need for this world to open back up so I could go somewhere. I could bring my little suitcase in my, I could have this. You know what I can use this for? I could use this for all of my skincare and makeup when I travel. Boom, got it. Okay, that's all I got for today without making this too long. So thank you so much for joining us. Hope you come back and see another video. Hope you come back for part 2 because I got another box coming in about a week. And hope you're having a great day, staying happy, safe, sane. Wear your mask, and bye.